Hey guys, this is Seti, and I actually opened up one of these already, and I found out that there was a defect. So let me show you guys right here. Actually, you guys already saw it probably. I'm going to put it in the beginning of this video most likely, so you'll see it. But the I don't know what you guys call this, like the retainer or something? The thing that basically holds the leader tape or secures the leader tape to the hub broke off on this brand new old stock Sony UX Pro 60 that I have. I wanted to open one up to record something on there. The band is How to Destroy Angels, which is a project by Trent Reznor himself, and I believe the lead singer was actually his wife. So we've got a female vocalist, she sounds great, by the way. I really like it. So if you guys want to check that out, go for it. Seek that band out. But yeah, I heard, as you can hear here as well, maybe, I don't know if you can hear it or not. You know, there was a rattle with this one and when it was sealed. And that rattle, of course, was that plastic piece breaking, the retainer. I guess that's what it is, I don't know. But anyways, I'm not gonna, I already filmed myself opening the other one. So this one I'm just basically opening up a second one just to see if this also exhibits the same issue, because I heard it make noise, but I can already tell it's not a problem, is it? Oh, it is. Oh no! This has the same problem. Well, I'm gonna have to go through all my stock and find out if anyone else has that same issue. Well, that's okay. By the way, this shell is much heavier than the new old stock Sony XR. And here, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to pause this for a bit. This is what I was talking about. The shell looks similar, right? It's not exactly similar. Oh well. I mean, I guess the design is. This is much lighter. It feels much cheaper than this shell here. This one has the ceramic guide, but this one doesn't, even though this is a higher end tape. But this is a very last gen XR. This one, I don't know the year, so I'm gonna have to pop that in there. But it's a much heavier, much higher quality feeling shell. Now I'm gonna do take a donor tape, and most likely I'm gonna take this one. This one is a Sony HF, I'm trying to remember, it was like 97 or something like that. This is the one that squeaks and squeals. So, and I'm gonna link that video here so you can actually hear it. I have a bunch of these, and this is the one that I probably, you know, had on the video when I showed it off, and I was like, this is squealing around this point in the tape, and it will just squeal all the way through, and you can hear it in the audio. And so this is pretty much, to me, either bad tape or a bad shell, or maybe even the bad slip sheets. I don't know what it is, but something is bad, and I can't use it as is anymore. The only other thing is that this tape is welded, so there's just no way for me to access this without completely destroying it. So my what do you call my plan is I'll just destroy this one. And now that I found out I have two of these that have the exact same problem with the retainers. I'm going to go ahead and take one of each and hopefully repair those, you know, replace that one, or maybe even if the hubs are the same, I'll just replace the hubs completely, but I don't know if they are or not. Even if it is, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of, you know, on one side, put it in one of these tape, and then I'll take the other one and put it in here. These are really nice type 2 tapes. They are equivalent to the Maxell XLS2 and the TDK SAX. They were basically competing for the type 2, you know, higher end type 2 tape. So the normal one was a UX, and you know, this one is like a step up, the UX Pro. Actually, I don't know if there is another one. Maybe there was a USX. I'll have to check. But this is like not your normal, like just your normal type 2. This is Sony's higher end type 2, which is where they put the ceramic guides in. And it is heavier. You can tell, I can feel it. Which is really cool. Maybe one of these days I'll weigh it, but I don't have a scale. So yeah, let's see what we can do about this. All right, I do remember doing this as a kid before, but I haven't done this in so long. I honestly don't know. Can I just pull? I guess I can just pull, can I? If I just want to destroy it, I guess I could just pull it. I've heard people actually just, what they do is they break off the tabs here. This is what I can do. And then they just use this as a way to, yep, that's what they do. Okay. Oh, there we go. Crack it open like a nut. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's not too bad. I probably didn't even have to break the tab if I do it more carefully. And here it is. And I've always wanted to know, is it the slip sheets that's causing the problem? I don't know. Squeaky, squeaky tape. I don't know if it's the problem with the tape or something else, but anyways, doesn't matter. I will sacrifice this type 1 tape for the part I need. And that is this little guy right here. And I'm gonna pop this out. Hate wasting tape, but then again, this thing squeals anyways, so. Now it's a parts. Kind of reminds me of like the Benihana onion thing that they do, this onion stack. Alright, I will probably look through and see what else I can keep for parts on this thing. This will be my first parts cassette. So let's work on this one since I have it here. And I'm just going to do the same on the other one. So I don't think I need to record both, but now I need to find out, where's my screwdrivers? Here they are. Sorry if my hands are in the way right now. Sorry. All right, so the other one? Broken. Gosh, I haven't done this in so long. I used to have more dexterity as a kid. Let's see if I can still do it. It in if I can. I just hope I don't break plastic by doing this. There we go. It's in. Okay. I don't want to touch the tape on this end because it's still good tape. Come on. Let's reel it in. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's sticking right there. Let me grab that and see if I can pull it apart. Putting ring around the rosy on that thing. Come on. Stay. Need a lot of patience with this, huh? Come on. It's just curling up on me. Okay. It's nice and taut. Sorry if it's not in frame that whole time. I just obviously I need to be able to see it for myself to do the repairs. I'm actually filming on my iPad because I can just place it on my desk and it's just viewing even at an extreme angle. And there's not going to be a whole lot of editing because I'm doing it on my iPad and I don't really have iTunes on my computer to transfer and then edit. I'm just going to use iMovie to edit, or at least put the pieces together and then send. that seem right to you? Or should that be the other way around? Like it should be here, right? Yeah, I think it is. I will fix that later, but for now, it is functional. And let me pull the tape out so you guys can actually see finally what the tape looks like. It's nice and dark. It's black, basically completely black. It's not pure chrome, obviously. This is cobalt doped ferric still. And we can still check to see how it performs, but since this video is about, you know, me repairing this and it's already taking up so much time, it's going to be a separate video to test the performance of this cassette. I'm not going to do it in this video. But as you can see, there's the ceramic guide right here. I already pulled it out. It is a separate piece you can actually pull out. And hopefully this is repaired. And of course, maybe it's my OCD, but I don't like the fact that I can't see the retainer when it's all fully wound up. So I feel like it's supposed to look like this. So the tape should be coming down that end right there. So I'll fix it. I'm that kind of person. But anyways, I'm going to do the same thing for the other, you know, cassette. Same old boring procedure. So, you know, I don't feel like filming it again with this one. I'm pretty sure you guys are not going to watch that one through. So one is enough to at least demonstrate what I'm trying to do. And of course, I still have the other replacement right here that is still good from the donor tape. Okay. All right. That's it for now. Toodaloo. Bye.